She was a little girl who never wanted to learn how to cook, always thinking of herself as a queen. But as she grew up, she became an amazing cook. This got us thinking about today's topic, cooking.
I dive into frozen waves where the past comes back to life. Fight fear for the selfish pain, it was worth it all the time.
In today's video then, we're going to learn how to cook in English. In a moment, we're going to my kitchen and I'm going to show you how to make any kind of soup, right? On top of that, I'll give you 50 or more essential words and some idioms you can use related to cooking.